both with the old and with the new. Jones on the soundtrack. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. We all family, but if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button right there. Nothing but fire content comes from this channel. Today, we are reviewing the latest Jordan Union collab, and this is the CMOS colorway of the Jordan 4. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, you probably didn't see my review last year or whenever these dropped on the black NOIR Jordan 4 Unions. Still unDS'd. These sneakers are fire, man. But today is all about the CMOS joints. So let's get into the review of these. Jones on the soundtrack. So in case you've been under a rock, you know Union and Jordan colorways been killing. It started with the Jordan 1s. And y'all know I'm a Jordan 1 dude. But I'm going to sit here and tell y'all I don't own either colorway in the Jordan 1 Unions. As far as the retail, I didn't have a chance. I entered every raffle I could, and I remember when prices were sitting like at $800 for it, and I didn't pull a trigger. If you look now, prices for the Jordan 1 Unions is at like $2,200, $2,300, and I did have my chances on buying them, as I had a whole bunch of GOAT credit. But I always seen 3-4 pairs of sneakers I could put in that $2,000 range, and I never bit. I am going to get them eventually. And if you're watching this, if you have a 10 and a half and you want to do a little business deal, hit me up, man. But as far as the Jordan 1s, no luck. But the Jordan 4s, I get them. So this here is the CMOS Jordan 4 Union collab. And I'm going to damp this release as the longest release in history, as people are still getting emails from Union Los Angeles with the invoice to check out. Me, I wasn't that lucky, but I still secured the bag, man. So, well, first glance, it's the same Union box we got with the black NOIR and the guava. I believe those was called. Same box, nothing changed there. As you've seen in the intro, even the paper with the Jordan man, with Jordan's hand and arm is the same. Nothing changed there. So let's open the box and get to the review. Unboxing time. Boom. Here's your Union 4 Jordan CMOS. And in my opinion, the dopest colorway if you're comparing them to the Taupe Haze. I know the Taupe Haze is the more sought after one, but we'll get into reasons why. So boom, you have your Union LA logo trail man here. Not the best of logos in my opinion, but I love the Halo Angel look, the active man. It's on like an I-95 cutout tab. I mean, if you drive and you know highways, you understand what I'm saying? But it can also pass as a sheriff badge a little bit. I don't know. In the comment section below, let me know which I think that cutout is. But it reads 1991 to 2021. Get that to focus. Bomb. Flip it open, flip it over, same thing. So you have that tag, and then you have a nice mango yellow, pineapple-ish yellow Jordan logo tag. And it's Jordan on each side with the words Union in script. Bam. So now that we got the tags out the way, I want to start right here with this nice Barney purple toe box. Now if I bring the NOIRs back in, the NOIR toe box seems to, I don't know, it seems to be a little glossier. I could be bugging, but in that comment section below, let me know what y'all think. I think the NOIRs are glossier. But yeah, I love that purple. It's the same purple, I believe, in my Saki Blazers. I'm not sure. I would have to compare them side by side. But I feel like this desert ore look around gives that purple so much of a pop, man. And I know the camera should be picking it up, but I want to let y'all know the desert color you have around the toe box lightens up as the sneaker gets to the back. So as you can see, those two panels there, that's darker than that. Alright, around the outside of the shoe, you have your famous Union LA tag there, well, UN. You have your translucent, what would you call this? The shoelace tab right there. That's see-through so you can see the netting. And also the purple that's in the toe box. It's back here on the heel tab. Not heel tab, ankle support. This is where the sneaker gets dope for me. Right there. That aqua blue. That's what brings the sneaker out to me more than anything. And you only have aqua blue in certain hits. You have it here with your lavender purple, which is dope. Nike Air on the booty. We love Nike Air on the booty. So you have your aqua blue tabs here. Your aqua blue tabs there. Your aqua blue tab on the tongue. And you know this tongue is like very controversial. A lot of people like to cut the tongue out to make it a big regular Jordan 4 tongue that we known to have. I mean, I don't mind. I'll keep it this way. But you have your aqua blue tabs there. And then you got aqua blue tab hits in the shoestring. Now it may look as like the shoestring gray comes out of nowhere, but the blend is perfect in my opinion. So after we leave the back, we got to get to the inside of the sneaker. And the inside is comparable with the outside. Same thing, no change there. So as I was telling you about the gray in the shoestrings, I feel like it connects because the insole, the ankle support, the sock liner is in that gray wool material. So the shoestrings have no problem hitting with the inside of the sock liner. Shoe tree. And your insoles is also in that pineapple yellow. With a gray, I believe. No, a purple Jordan, man. That reads Union. Now, if you're not feeling the gray shoestrings, bomb. They gave you some aqua blue ones with some gray hits. And either or I'm cool with. But if I had to choose one, I probably would go with the aqua just because I love this color so much, man. I probably would go with the aqua if I had to choose. But I can tell you, if you keep the gray shoelaces in, this aqua at the bottom will pop more. If you have the aqua on the aqua, it probably wouldn't pop as much. So I probably would leave them laced the way they're laced. So I feel like these are going right now. You can get them on Go or StockX for roughly $450 to $550, depending on sizing. I think retail is what, $250 or something in that nature. So far as reselling and the way we is in life now, the $480, $450 is not a bad deal, man. But the other version, the Topaz, that pair there started at like $1,000. Right now you can get the pair for $800. I owned the Topaz Jordan 4s and that was a dope colorway, but I felt like it was only sought after because of the Travis Scott ones we never ever received. So that's why people went crazy over those. And I think another reason why Topaz colorways are being sought after is because of the essentials. You know, the Fear Guard Essential, that taupe colorway that they come out with, got everybody looking for sneakers to rock with the sweatpants, the shorts, the hoodies, etc. So that's the reason why I feel like Topaz is being overdone. Far as like comparison, my opinion only, I like these way better than the Topaz colorway. But I also like the NOIRs the best. Maybe because it's just all black with red and blue. Reminds me of the Dawn Burger Superman joints a little bit. If you a sneakerhead, you get the comparison I'm saying. If not, I'll put the picture up so y'all can kind of see what I mean by the Dawn Burger Superman connection. But I like these second and in the overall Jordan 4 Union collab. In that comment section below, let me know which one you like better. Some people like the guavas. To me, the guava was too out of here. It was like the what's my man name with the Jordan 1s, the colorful joints, them joints. Yeah, it's just too out of here for me. These are out of here, but you can get something to rock and put these together, man. So yeah, this is my review of the Jordan 4 CMOS joints, man. I'm sorry the Topazes is like getting y'all out of here, but I can't stand up for them a little bit, man. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe, like, all that stuff the YouTubers say. Everybody get rich. Jones on the soundtrack.